Hello everyone, this is Dave from Dave's Recent Things. Welcome to Hallo-week. Today is day number 3. We've got 2 in the bag. Today is the 3rd, and after this we still have another 5 more, completing our Hallo-week series. Why don't I just get started and I'll show you what I made. Today I'm going to be using the 14-inch wire wreath frame along with this Dahlia clip. I'm going to use some pink glitter spiders and some of these pink glittery bows, along with some black spiders that I had in my stash, and of course some gloss high pink spray paint, and my regular crafting utensils to create this project today. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my garage, take that spray paint and spray paint that wreath frame in that hot pink color. So here we have our hot pink all ready to go with our base wreath. I have all of my items surrounding, and I also spray painted those black spiders that hot pink color so it can coordinate with all of our theme here. I'm going to start off just hot gluing that Dahlia clip right onto that wreath frame, and I'm not really doing deco mesh today. This is going to be something a little bit different. I'm going to start hot gluing those spiders right on there with my hot glue gun, and the idea I had here was to kind of have them clustered really tight towards the Dahlia and then a little bit looser coming out and around. So that wreath frame kind of looks like a spider web almost, I want to say. So we're not really decorating the wreath frame with any deco mesh. We're just using these items today, gluing on that little pink glittery bow that we've purchased as well. And then I'm going to do the same effect right on the bottom side, clustering those pink spray painted spiders and having them kind of all over the wreath frame, like they're kind of coming out of that Dahlia. Then I'm just going to glue on those hot pink glittery spiders as well, just adding a little bit more dimension, more interest to our wreath. And once that's all done and I've got all those spiders glued on, our wreath is really done and complete. A really quick, really easy wreath, especially nowadays. Pink is so hot for Halloween this year, so I wanted to try pink again. I did it in a previous video and it got a really good reaction as well, so I hope this one you like as well. Our pink spider Halloween wreath for day number 3 of Hallo-week. Don't forget to click that playlist right down below so you can see the rest of the episodes. Thank you so much for joining me on day number 3 of Hallo-week. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new project. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye for now.